quick disclaimer before the actual video starts. Just wanted to say that I am aware of the sort of flashing, flickering sensation coming from the sun glare in the recording for this video. This was probably just due to the fact that I was driving with the top down on a bright sunny day. It could have had to do with my GoPro settings or even the angle at which I recorded that day, but I just tried to lower the brightness of the entire driving portion of the video in post to fix it at least somewhat, but I still think that the video turned out successfully other than that. But just wanted to give a heads up, especially to those of you who are sensitive to bright and or flashing lights. But anyways, here's the video. Hope you all enjoy. Hey guys, welcome to another POV vibe with Blake G Drives. It is about to be 8 a.m. and I am going to be driving my NA Mazda Miata again. So I hope you guys enjoy. I've been wanting to film a POV drive with this car in the daylight for a while now. I kind of explained that in my last video, and I explained in the description how it's not as easy to film POV content at nighttime. I think it's just harder to film any kind of content at nighttime when there's less light. For the most part in this video, I'm just going to be focusing on driving, so there's not going to be as much talking even as there was in the last video. We're gonna drop this top real quick, and mind you, I have not started this car in probably almost a week, despite uploading my last video with this car about 2 days ago from the day I'm recording this video. But yeah, we are gonna do a nice cold start, put her in neutral. I'm gonna back this car out, and then I will shut the garage door behind me, and we'll get on out of here. After backing the car out that I forgot to grab my earplugs, so another POV without earplugs. Maybe in the next video I'll remember to bring them, but I always mention that wearing the earplugs is kind of a double-edged sword, considering I probably can't hear myself as well when speaking. Got some traffic here, but I'm gonna try and get to some nice roads for the sake of this video. Beautiful day out today, by the way. It's supposed to get pretty hot out, and I happened to wake up early today, and I wanted to get out before, of course, it got too hot out for me to enjoy this car, which I kind of talked about in the last video. But this is the sweet spot right here. It's about 70 degrees out, maybe like 71 degrees. It's just absolutely perfect, and I just absolutely ate that red light. everybody's headed to work right now, but what a lovely view this is. think I'm gonna wrap the video up here. If you stuck to the end, I appreciate it, and thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like, comment your thoughts down below or any ideas for a future video, and if you are not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe for more Miata content, but especially more POV content. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out, and drive safe, of course.